guys. So, normally, music notes get higher the higher you travel up the instrument. So let's go to the bottom of the piano and hear how that works. Definitely low. And it's getting higher. We're going to discover the same thing about this flute. Okay guys, let me show you on this beautiful sunny day. Guess what? It's exactly the same with this harp. So the lower end is here at the front where the strings are longer. And the shorter strings at the top here, that's where the higher notes are. Inside the piano, I can show you later, and you will see that there are longer strings for the lower notes and shorter, tighter ones for the higher notes. But let's listen now from low to high. So that's kind of how it works, basically, guys. Let's do a little exercise now. Lower here is close to the camera where you are, nice and deep. And higher, far away, is up here. So we'll do a quick little game. I'm going to play some music. And if you see me down at the lower side, you hear low noises. You can do some moving really low and close to the floor. Let me move this. And if you hear some high noises and high sounds, you can stretch up on your tippy toes and put your fingers way up, 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 up in the air. Okay, so let's do some music. Are you ready? The music is very high. Your hands up in the air. I'm so proud of you! Yay, awesome! You did it! Where were you for that? Nice and high. That's fabulous. Okay, let me try again. Aha, I was tricking you. Let's try another time. Where was that? Was that low or high? Yes, you're right. When I got closer to you by the camera, it was low music. And when I got far away and went high up the piano keyboard, it was high music. Well done. You really know your stuff about music now.